Hi, finally guys, I set up my Patreon page in order to help you fix your laptop failures. So, I can assist you personally until you fix your laptop failures. Any kind of failure, including shorted motherboards, no power motherboards, no data motherboards, dead motherboards, motherboard with no charging faults, BIOS programming. So basically there is two membership, learning experience and mentorship experience. So for learning experience, I will assist you until you solve any problem you have with your computer via Patreon page, emails, or WhatsApp. And for mentorship experience, this is a very important membership where I can assist you, of course, via Patreon page, email, WhatsApp, and even live videos until you fix your computer. So what are you waiting for? Join me and let's get started.